Hello guys, welcome to Maran Chronicles. Today we are going to do a review of a new camera I've been using for the vlogs. So you might be seeing our channel. Almost we have done 980 videos guys. Almost we have completed Everest Base Camp, Annapurna Base Camp and lot of other adventures. So do check my playlist. So today we have come with Osmo Pocket camera. It's a Osmo Pocket gimbal camera with a 3-axis gimbal, and this is the packaging guys, wonderful. It's coming from DJI. And also to talk about the specifications of this beautiful gimbal, let me open the gimbal and show you right away. It's really wonderful guys. So I'm just opening it now. So you get this leaflets, Osmo Pocket quick start guide with a quick start guide guys, and then the features. Coming to the features, it's a 4K camera, 4K 60 frames per second, and let me show you the actual camera. So it comes with this beautiful package. This comes along with the camera. So let me show the camera right now. So Amaisa, you need to open this camera like this, and then you will be able to see this beautiful camera in all its glory, DJI. So to turn on the camera, you need to press and hold the right button. So it will auto adjust the gimbal, and then the display will open DJI. You can see the display here. Beautiful guys, 4K 60 frames per second. If I do a swipe like this, I can select photo, video, slow motion, hyperlapse, panorama. Lot of settings are there. In video mode, if I right click, 4K 16:9, different frame rates, 30 frames, 25 frames, 24 until 60 frames. For better smoothness, better 60 frames is the best one. And you can see the beautiful display over here, which will show you how the gimbal is operating. And to change the gimbal location, very beautiful guys. So I can do like this, I can swipe it, video mode, I can change that video mode perfectly. So whatever angle, this gimbal is going to make sure it adjusts it automatically. You can see this is a lens. Whatever angle, it's going to be in horizontal way. So a lot of features are available. I am really using this for a long time, and the battery backup is good. For 4K, I get almost 90 minutes battery backup under standard conditions. And with this, lot of accessories are also available. So here, this is the phone connector you will use for iPhone, connecting to iPhone. So I need to push it like this. So you can use the iPhone connector. Similarly, you get a micro USB as well. So I just need to connect like this, push it, and this is just like a place folder. I need to push it outside, and then I need to reverse it, put it like this. So when I put it like this, it's going to connect to the iPhone like this. So I can connect to any iPhone, normal standard iPhone jack. Got it? And this is the record button, very self-explanatory. So video mode, lot of modes are there. You can see video, photo mode. We have a lot of modes, 16:9. Countdown timer is also accepted. So you can wait for the photo timer to snap. Once the timer is done, you can change the format, JPG, white balance, exposure for photo. Similarly, for video also, I can select video mode, and here I get lot of features: 4K 16:9, 2.7K 16:9, 1080p 16:9. Three resolutions are available. And for more settings, I can click on the top left: normal color, white balance, exposure, and volume. This is for the beep sound when you try to record it, right? So let's start the recording. When attention is this red light, so recording will start. Right now SD card is not there, so it gets no SD card. So this is where the SD card is being inserted. Okay. So along with this, you get additional accessory pack. Let me show you real quick. And you can see lot of features there. Settings. If I go to settings, I can calibrate. Calibration nothing but to adjust this gimbal. When I click calibrate, it's going to calibrate and align the properly. It's going to align the angle of this gimbal. Wonderful gimbal guys. See, very beautiful gimbal. And here battery levels, auto power off. So it automatically powers off after 1 minute. And storage, what kind of format? JPG, and SD card details, anti-flicker, 60 Hz. And if I click on more, I can reset the device also. Very good feature. Here, first option is quality, superfine, normal quality, and then I have zoom camera, center frame, pro mode, and brightness of the display. Wonderful. Let me show you all the settings in a very clear way. So guys, once again let me tell you, box में आपको क्या क्या items मिलेगा. What are the items available in the box? So this is the iPhone connector. This is the lightning adapter where you can connect to the iPhone. Okay, the iPhone connector. And for storing purpose, you can just keep it stored over here. Okay, so that you will not lose this. And other than that, you also get a beautiful case. So you can open the case like this. So I can put my gimbal. ऐसा gimbal लगा के ऐसा case में लगा सकते हैं. So that it protects your gimbal. DJI is mentioned over here. Beautiful gimbal, beautiful case, guys. Wonderful, really. I love this case a lot. And what else we have in the box? So let me show you. I'm opening the box. So main things in the box are. Let's open it. Okay. So here. Wow. Let me show you. So this is for normal Android phones, any other phones which uses micro USB. So this is a USB controller. So as I told you, this is USB-C. Wow, USB-C adapter is also given with this camera. So I can use any Android mobile with USB-C adapter. If you don't have USB-C adapter, I can purchase USB-C to micro USB converter and you can use this. This also you'll fix it. They are the connectors. Be ensure that you maintain these connectors in a proper way. Okay. So now let's go back to the camera. So let me power it on. The moment you power it on, this gimbal is going to self-adjust, and then you have a display. See, DJI. So once the display comes up, then I can change my modes. Touchscreen, full touchscreen, guys. Then change my modes here: slow motion, time lapse, panorama. You know, panorama is excellent in this one. Panorama, when I select, it's going to ask what kind of panorama you need. So I need to just press on here, and here I can see different formats available, and here it asks me the different parameters: 3x3 or 180 degrees, or 3x3 or 180. 180 means, you know, normal panorama. 3x3 is a big panorama with complete square kind of image. Okay, so it supports that as well. So overall, I really like this performance, especially the battery backup is quite good, guys. Almost 90 minutes I'm getting in 4K, and a little bit delicate, but if you use it carefully, it's going to last a long time, and you can see it adjusts automatically. That I really like it. So let me turn it off. I will show you other items available as extra accessories. You need to buy them separately. Okay, so this is called as Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. So this is roughly around 7,999, but you get online in a better price as well. And I forgot to mention you the Osmo Pocket camera is about 18,000. That also you'll get a better deal online in Amazon or any other websites, you know, suitable websites. And let me show you this particular extra accessories what we get. So I'm going to remove this adapter. Okay. So let me remove this adapter and show you what are the items available. So let's open this magic box. So in this magic box, you have 3 different parameters. As you can see, this is the extra connector, or I can mount my camera to various options like helmet, lot of places, right? So let's start with this one. So this is a Wi-Fi dongle. This connects to the bottom of the camera. Okay. So when I connect to this camera can connect to my Wi-Fi, and I can get to DJI app where I can set up all my settings and also see the view of what the video it is taking. Okay. So when I power it on, it's going to light it, as you can see. So the red light indicates it detected the Wi-Fi module. Once it connects to the mobile, it's going to turn into green. Okay. So this is extra feature. I'm then pulling it back. And then this is our connector, additional connector, which can be used to mount this camera. Let me show you how to mount it. So you open this, the clip, and then you open this like this. Then you put the mobile facing down. Okay. So let me show you. I'm putting the mobile facing down here. Okay. Like this down, and then I'm going to connect it. See, how beautiful it is. So I can mount it to any place, right? I can mount it to my helmet, I can mount it to a selfie stick, monopod or a gimbal. Any place I can mount it, like a typical GoPro mounts, as you can see. That's the advantage of this mounting option. And let me show you one more very interesting accessory which comes under the expansion kit. It's going to be tight, guys, okay? So it's going to be very tight. I need to open this and then. So now I'm going to open this connector, okay? So how to open this? You need to open this, align this and open it. Now is the additional connector I was talking about in the expansion kit. So this is the expansion kit. This is called a thumb wheel, guys. So using these two buttons, I can change my orientation of gimbal. I can move the gimbal around. So let's connect this, okay? Align to here. ऐसा align करते हैं. Align and press it. Okay. Now I am going to power on the gimbal. So if you see now, very beautiful, guys. I really enjoy this. I can see. If I am using the wheel, I can change the orientation. You can see, observe it. It will be very easy if I need to focus on something, and then press this key to the slide, and I can change it up. I can change it down. This is a flywheel, kind of flywheel, as you can see. I can change it up. I can change it down. This is for vertical, and for horizontal, I need to slide this switch to the left side. Then I can horizontally pan across using this gimbal. Very interesting. And what are these buttons? These buttons are flip. The moment I press this, I can do a selfie, guys, as you can see. It comes to a selfie mode. And what is this? This is tilt lock. So I can lock orientation to any of the angle. Again, I press it. Now I can lock it. Tilt lock, FPV. So this is for changing follow mode and then tilt locked. Okay. And then if I follow, it will follow automatically, and it can turn it here and there. You can see I can take a selfie with this additional option available. Overall, I really like this camera, especially the way it provides you enhancements of the functionality. So if you buy the expansion pack, you get a particular thumb wheel, flywheel kind of, left and right orientation, vertical and horizontal, along with two buttons, FPV button, and also you get a tilt lock, and as well as panning the camera to take a selfie and also to take the image at front. Similarly, you get this mount options along with the expansion pack, and additional to that, you also get a wireless module so that I can connect this camera to my DJI app. I'll show you. I will take a screenshot of the DJI app. I'll be showing you different options available over there. So stay tuned, guys. See the video in its entirety to understand the DJI app also, because DJI app is also very important to understand how it connects. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you're watching our channel. You can also see the review of Osmo Action in my playlist. Okay, Osmo Action is also a very good camera. It's in my playlist, guys. So check the Osmo Action. Osmo Action is suitable for action sports, and whereas this is suitable for portrait and for indoor, outdoor, normal landscape photography and videography, because it supports gimbal. So I can easily pan across to various angles, and it maintains. If I shake it also, the image or video will not be shaken. It maintains the orientation of that overall gimbal, guys. So really we are enjoying this particular camera. Very wonderful camera. So guys, so this is the expansion kit, Osmo expansion kit, and this is the Osmo Pocket. Wonderful. And you can buy a bag also. You can buy a bag, in Amazon to put all these accessories properly. Let me show you the bag. So this is a kind of rubber leather bag where I can put my gimbal like this. I can put my gimbal, and also I can insert this gimbal into my backpack and so on. Let me put the gimbal now. So I'm going to remove this thumb wheel. So thumb wheel is removed, and then we'll keep the lightning adapter to store it, because I use an iPhone, so I need to have this lightning adapter whenever I want to store it. So next thing is, once you turn it off, I open this flap. Make sure this is facing to the DJI. I close this over here, snapshot, and then I lock it. Then I can happily put this gimbal into this box, happily stored. So now let's go to the DJI app. Let me show you how it connects and so on. Okay, stay tuned guys. Thank you. So let me explain how to connect this camera to the iPhone. First I need to go to Wi-Fi, switch on the Wi-Fi and also switch on Bluetooth. It uses both the connection styles. So once I do that, I launch DJI app. Once I open the app, I'll be greeted with the interface. There on the top left side, I click on device and it will be connected. Right now SD card is not there, but you will be able to see the entire interface. On the left side, I see a lot of options. Here I see the manual and the resolution. Resolution 4K, I can select different options, as well as here you can scroll down. Here you will see all the adjustment, exposure, video format, MOV or MP4 and so on. Similarly, I also see for the photo mode similar to that, right? So I see a lot of options here. For photo mode also selfie 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Similarly for the photo mode I can see the focus range, AFC, JPG and so on. For panorama here I can see 180 degrees or I can go for 360 degrees. Like a 3x3 format. So it's going to help us to take panorama photos as well. And similarly if you see, I get so many options available. Wonderful guys, really. This app is amazing. Here I will be able to see everything. So guys, here you can see the time-lapse option, video or the photo mode, and there is an option of hyperlapse also. Hyperlapse is a fast forward mode, right, from 2x until 30x. So the camera quality is amazing. Low light quality is also good. I am fully satisfied. Various modes are available. So do check the specifications at the end of the video. Here I can see the manual ISO setting is also possible, along with shutter speed, along with exposure for the video and for the photo. So overall I would say I am rating 4 out of 5, and also you can see specifications here. I hope you like the review. See the specifications here. Do like, share, subscribe. Himalayan Chronicles, more adventures coming, and also I'll be reviewing Osmo Mobile 6, the gimbal dedicated for iPhone, coming soon on your lovely channel. See my travelogues, enjoy.